Nadiya's Portuguese custard tarts. I'm a huge fan of Nadiya. I love her book, I love her show, and obviously I love her recipes. So I'm excited to try making this one. I have a puff pastry that I thawed out for a little bit. I'm gonna use one of this. I'm gonna just like soften out these creases. Sprinkle it evenly. I don't want to put too much nutmeg because it's a little too strong for me. And then she said roll it out like you would a cinnamon roll. So okay, tighten up a little bit. So she says just cut it up to 12 equal pieces. Just gonna pinch the end a little bit. Okay, so so each little guy is gonna go in each hole. And then, so cute, right? So I'm just gonna kind of use their thumb to like, just like push it down like this. Push it down. And then like press against the edges like this. I think I haven't had a proper Portuguese custard tart, Pastel de nata, since I've been to Portugal. Portugal is one of the most beautiful places I've been. Most delicious places I've been to. The food that I had there was one of the best. People were so nice. They were so hospitable. I mean, I don't know if I'm doing it right. But we'll see. We had, I think, me and my husband, we had like 5 pastel de natas in a day, each in a different bakery. And we just kind of tried to review and like see how like each pastel de nata were different. And all of them were really good. Even, you know, like the grocery store ones, like I feel like those are better than most out in the world. I think the biggest regret I have from my trip to Portugal was we didn't get to go to the Porto Museum. My husband and I got in a huge fight, and right before we were gonna go to the museum, and just we were kind of like not in the mood to go. And that's like still one of the biggest regret in my life. We should have went even if we just hated each other at that moment. Anyways, I still love Porto. Like I drink it like once in a while. I think it's so perfect as like a dessert or just, you know, just a little indulgence for yourself. One thing I did think was interesting when I went to Portugal was when I went to dinner to a restaurant, they would sell like half portions and full portions. So I was just kind of confused. I never knew if I should order the half portion because I've never been there, and I don't know, maybe the restaurants have different portions. So sometimes I was really surprised when we ordered half portions and like 2 really hungry people were so full. So I'm like, this is the half portion? And they're like, yeah, that's the half portion. So, man, the food, they're so generous there. Okay, so this goes in the fridge while we make the custard. So now I'm gonna start making the custard. Cornstarch, vanilla, Okay, I'm gonna add the eggs. Then I'll start mixing immediately. I'm gonna start boiling the cream since this is whisk. So my cream has come to a boil, and now I'm gonna slowly mix this together as I'm stirring. Oops. Okay, don't do that. So I'm gonna let this cool for 30 minutes, and in the meantime, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 400 degrees. So I just took out the pastry from the fridge. Now I'm gonna slowly pour in the custard. A little bit more. And some of these that can take more. Now these go into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Oh, it's hot. I'm gonna check in about 20 minutes. Oh, sorry, I got lipstick on you. I'm sorry. Kitty. So these are puffed up, but it's already going down slowly because of the temperature. Look at that. Oh, okay. Look at that. Sticky. Oh, the bottom is the key. Okay. Look at the bottom. See the little twirls? This bottom part didn't come out as crispy, or it's stuck in my pan, but it's pretty good. The flavors are really good. I wish it was a bit more flaky, but I think it could be part of my fault because I don't know. Maybe I when I pressed the dough too hard, when I pressed in the dough, it wasn't right, but it's still really delicious. And it's quite easy too. I would definitely make this again. I didn't have to make the puff pastry, which makes things so much easier. And basically all I have to do is really make the custard. So I would definitely make this again. Okay, I definitely give this recipe a thumbs up. I hope you get to try it too. And thank you for watching.